Hey guys, welcome to Crafting with Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kids drawing table with a DIY paper roll holder. Now the first thing you're going to need is a paper towel roll holder. Next, you're going to need a paper roll. I bought a 12-inch easel paper roll. Make sure whatever paper roll you get will fit the paper towel roll holder. And you can see I got a paper towel roll holder that has a sticker on it and it just sticks underneath the surface of the table. Now, I also used 2 screws to attach this to the table just to make sure it didn't fall down. Next, you're going to grab the paper roll and slide it in the paper towel roll holder. And once you do that, it's time to pull the paper out. You're going to pull it out far enough to where you can put it over the top of the table and lay it flat, just like that. Now, if you want to, you can grab a piece of tape and you can tape it underneath the table to secure it so it doesn't shift when you try to draw. Once it's good and secure, you're going to make your drawing. And then once you're done with your drawing, it's time to pull the paper out. Once you pull the paper out, you're going to cut your masterpiece, and then you're ready with a new piece of paper. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I've showed you an easy way to make a really cool kids drawing desk. I will link the supplies below, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.